First, take a look at the top and check what the problem can be. If it won't open, inspect the hydraulic pump. Important, switch off the ignition. You'll find the hydraulic pump on the left side of the boot behind the cover. The first visual check is important. Look at the oil level. It should be with a closed top between maximum and minimum. If not, look for a leakage. Examine with your finger where the oil has leaked. These screws are likely. In front and at the back of the tube on the connection side. The pump must be removed. However, first the inside parts of the lining of the boot should be taken out. You must remove the pressure from the system. For this, the protective glasses and gloves must be worn. This hex screw opens the pressure valve. The hydraulic cylinder must be removed. First, the piston locking ring unscrewed. Older pistons don't have this locking. With a screwdriver, lever the lower bolt protection clips out. Now the bolt can be removed. Use a screwdriver to pull it out. Now the underside of the piston is free. Above, there's also a bolt that must be removed. This has a safety clip which is attached with a hinge. Unclip this. We'll show you quickly how the bolt is attached to the hinge. Now the piston can be removed. An electric cable must also be removed. On the upper side, the pump is fastened with a screw to the bodywork. This must be unscrewed. The hydraulic pump is in a foam fixture. Pull the pump out so you can see the screws on the back side. Check both screws for leaks. In our case, the lower screw is leaking. Check the foam fixture of the hydraulic pump to ascertain where the oil has gathered. If this is the case, change the hydraulic pump. Now you can change the screw. For this work, you'll need gloves again. Now don't forget to lay a cloth underneath because oil could leak. For this vehicle type, 2 screws for 2 different construction types are delivered. Therefore, check both new screws exactly and choose the same screw type as the one you've already unscrewed. One difference is the kind of gasket. One is sunk and the other is not. The screw is tightened with 30 Newton meters. The installation occurs in reverse order. Do not forget, however, to refill the hydraulic oil at the end. The oil level should be between minimum and maximum. For this, use the right oil. Tighten the locking screw in the tank to 2 Newton meters. However, before you reinstall the paneling, a functions check for the top should be carried out. Don't forget to close the pressure control valve. Then a visual check should be carried out once more. You can also let the customer know he should check the oil level at a later date.